string of arrests over the last week show a pretty alarming trend. Cartels using teenagers as drug mules for fentanyl. And now the U.S. Attorney's Office is looking at new ways to stop this.
Yeah, 10 News reporter Jared Aarons live downtown. And Jared, this is scary not only because it involves drugs, but we're talking about kids here.
Absolutely, Jason. Virginia, it's really a safety issue more than a legal issue because fentanyl is so dangerous. The amount that it would take to cause a deadly overdose can fit on the head of Abraham Lincoln on this penny. So if that bag the kids are carrying breaks, it could not only kill them, but everyone around them. And that's why the U.S. Attorney's Office is attacking this problem head on right now. You can't see their faces, but these pictures show the new face of fentanyl smuggling in the U.S. Teens, some U.S. citizens who live in Mexico and cross the border every day for school. They're being turned into drug mules.
Oftentimes, it's some underprivileged students that need a few $100s and are willing to take those sorts of risks to strap drugs to their body.
Fentanyl has become a huge problem on the border. In 2016, there were 260 arrests for smuggling it. In 2017, that number jumped to 952. It's potent and lethal, with overdose deaths climbing every year from 15 in 2014 to 82 last year.
It's extremely dangerous.
Now agents are noticing more teens carrying the drug. This week, U.S. border agents arrested 5 teens at San Ysidro's port of entry. Assistant U.S. Attorney Mark Conover says that's not a coincidence. It's a trend.
And it's something that the U.S. Attorney's Office is not going to sit idly by and watch the cartels manipulate these children.
The U.S. Attorney's Office partnered with the DA and also with their counterparts from the Mexican Consular General to reach teens before they become drug mules. They're planning PSAs on both sides of the border and visits to schools to teach kids the danger.
We certainly hope that kids that would consider this, once they know the risks, once they know the consequences, and once they know the very little upside for themselves, will think twice.
And because the kids would be in the juvenile court system, it's really up to the DA's office which one of them to prosecute. That's why the U.S. Attorney's Office is going after education, but they're also going after the cartels and the dealers here in the U.S., trying to charge them for every overdose. Live at the U.S. Attorney's Office downtown, Jared Aarons, 10 News.